Nestled in the heart of Durban, the iconic Moses Mabhida Stadium is a marvel of modern engineering. The stadium was built for the 2010 Football World Cup with an arch spanning south to north, representing the unity of a once divided nation. Pezula Scaffolding, backed by Layher, tackled critical remedial works on the stadium's iconic northern arch. This project pushed the boundaries of innovation, overcoming extreme conditions and complex challenges. The goal was to create a scaffolding solution that could encase the northern arch, providing a stable platform for workers at extreme heights. Layher supplied the material, while Pezula Scaffolding, chosen for their unmatched expertise in specialized scaffolding, executed the assembly. Together, they devised solutions to tackle a host of challenges: a suspended scaffold at extreme heights, the arch's changing slopes, high wind loads, and the need to secure the structure on a steep incline to prevent sliding. Through innovative design and precision engineering, every obstacle was overcome. Adjustable mounting brackets were designed and installed to accommodate the angle and prevent the scaffold from sliding. Using Layher Allround made assembly simpler and faster. The versatility of the Allround FW made it possible to extend beyond the arch, while the strength of the Twixbeam and lightweight scaffolding allowed sections to be rigged safely into position. Close collaboration and mutual trust between Layher and Pezula's teams were key to delivering a safe, efficient, and innovative solution. Layher's cutting-edge design and Pezula's expert execution delivered a scaffolding solution that not only met the demands of this iconic structure, but set a new standard for suspended scaffolding. This project is a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation.